In this video, I'm going to show you how to view macOS games in itch.io quickly and easily. This is a really simple process, but if you've ever struggled to find Mac-compatible games on itch.io, this walkthrough will save you time and make browsing much easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click so you can filter the store and only see games that work on macOS. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and platform guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the itch.io website in your browser. You can do this by typing itch.io into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look at the top menu. You'll want to find the Browse option because that's where itch.io keeps its discovery and filtering tools. Now click Browse from the top menu. This will take you to the main browsing page, where you can explore games, assets, and other content available on the platform. On this page, you'll see different filters and categories that help you narrow down what you're looking for. Since we specifically want to view games for macOS, we need to use the platform filter on the left side. Look over to the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Platform. Under that section, click macOS. As soon as you select it, itch.io will update the results and show you games that are available for Mac. This is the fastest way to filter out anything that isn't compatible with your device, so you don't have to waste time checking each game manually. If you want to explore further, you can combine this with other browse filters too, like genre, tags, or price, to find exactly the kind of macOS game you want. But for the basic process, that's all there is to it. Open itch.io, click Browse, and then select macOS under the Platform menu. And now you know how to view macOS games in itch.io. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the filter is, and it makes discovering Mac-friendly games much easier. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other apps or websites you want a simple step-by-step guide for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.